Let's make a photo book together. Open the RapidStudio website and click on Hardcover Photo Books. Here's where you choose your size and the cover you prefer. Click Create Now to launch the photo album editor. The editor opens to your cover and you get 3 cover design options to choose from. Click through them and see which one you prefer. Now it's time to import your photos. You can use the Upload tab or create a gallery. Upload pictures either from your computer or your phone by scanning the QR code with your phone camera and following the prompts. Click Import and your pictures should appear on the left-hand side as you see here. Drag in the cover picture you like and double-click the title to personalize it to your own title. If you don't want a subtitle, you can delete that section and resize using the font resize to choose a font that's going to look great on your cover and reposition. Now it's time to do a spine. Double click and give it a spine title. And now we're onto the back page. We're going to click and drag the picture we want into that place. And instead of a caption here, we're going to use some clip art. So delete that, go to Clip Art tab, choose a theme you like and pull across the clip art you like. Resize it to something that's going to look nice with your book design. And that looks great. Let's grab something for the front cover, resize, and that is looking like a really beautiful cover. You can double click and choose the font color to change the title font. Press play to preview and see how your cover is looking. Give your book a title along the top if you like. And now we're on to designing the pages. So click through to the next page and you're going to click and drag the picture that you want there. Grab the little compass in the middle to reposition your picture. Double click on the title to edit the title and create your own wording for your special book there. Again, you can change the font by clicking the color icon and choosing on the color wheel the color you want. Also font types. Click on the font type, choose one that suits your style. Onto the next page, and again we're just going to click and drag the photos into the placeholders. Another great tip is above your pictures you'll see a little magical wand called autofill. You can click that at the start of your album process to populate the pages of your book with your pictures immediately, and then you can just have the easy job of tweaking from there. We are almost done. Let's click and drag our last pictures across into our placeholders. On the right hand side I can see I don't like this page layout, so I'm going to change that by clicking on that vertical navigation bar, choosing layouts and scrolling through my options here. They're divided into 1, 2, 3 up to 5 images, 5+ images per page. I'm going to choose a layout I like and click and drag my pictures into it. I'm done now, but I'm going to click the play preview in the top right hand screen and scroll through my book to see if I'm happy with the finished look. Lastly, click on the blue button in the top right hand corner to order your book.